Here we have a Kaeser M17 new compressor. This is a portable machine. So just to walk around the machine then. You have your fuel tank located at the front. This is a 15 bar pressure machine, and it's easy portable in and out of your van with the wheels as shown. Here at EMS we offer an after treatment process as an optional extra. So basically takes your moisture out of your air. So this compressor is powered by a Honda GX630 engine. This is a 21 horsepower engine, petrol engine. Then to the front of the machine you have your gauge as it goes up to 15 bar pressure as shown. You have an electric key start and you have an hour meter as shown. This machine has brass couplers, very hard weighting couplers, easy accessible to put on and take off. There's your separator and your air filter. So this has 1.6 meters cubed per minute of free air at 7 bar and 1 meters cubed per minute of free air at 15 bar pressure.